David here from G4 Guitar. In this video I'm just going to show you how to use WordPress menus and how to set them up, and also how to create a link from one of your menu items. So you're basically on the side here from dashboard, you come down to appearance and then you're looking for menu, so you click on menu. I'm already here in the menu screen, so you're going to go appearance, menus, and then you'll come to this screen. Then what you want to do is you want to create a new menu. Up here you can see create a new menu, and then once you've created it, then you name it. So here you can see I've called it ABC, and then you save your menu by clicking here, and then up in here you'll see that your menus will appear. So we've got main menu, got another menu called free download and ABC. So we're just going to work with ABC for the minute. Now you can have a look up here where you've got screen options, and just make sure you've got those boxes ticked. I suggest you just tick all of the boxes, that way you've got everything you need and there's nothing actually missing. And what that does is it makes them appear in the side screen here. So for instance, if I took posts away, you would see the posts has disappeared here. Again, projects disappeared. So by ticking those, they appear. That's that top line. The second line is really about the menu structures over here. Don't worry about that just at the minute, because we're just going to work with this left side. Okay, so now you've got your menu. What you want to do is add pages to it, and the simple way to do that is just to click on these links here. So you can see where it says pages, most recent. So just choose whichever pages you want to appear. So if I add those, say 3 pages there, and then I add to the menu, then what will happen is that you'll see that it will populate there, and I've got those menus. Now if I click on any of those, you can see it gives me this screen, and that's what those bottom ticks stand for. They actually for these elements here. Again, if I take away certain elements there, you'll see it'll disappear from that screen, but that arrow there is what opens and closes that. So you can see on this menu I've got 3 there. Now I can save the menu, and then that will then give me those 3 pages that will appear on this particular menu. Now if I want to create a link, which is what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to create a link here to let me see, I'll just create a link here to the main website for the business, which I'm putting here, g4guitarmethod.com. Okay, so that creates there. I'm just going to call it G4 Guitar Method, and then I'm going to add that to the menu. So now you see I've got 4 pages there on the menu, on this ABC menu. So I save that menu again, so I've got them all there. Now I'll just show you the page quickly, and just so you can see the changes as I make them. And what you will see, I'm running on the old menu here at the moment, so nothing's changed here. It's still going to have that old menu, which is fine, which is what we want, but we're going to change that by going up here to manage locations. So if you just click on manage locations, then you can see it's got here main navigation menu. So I can click on that arrow there, and then I've got ABC, free download, main menu. So if I change that to ABC, that will become the main navigation menu, and then I hit save changes. That should, if all goes well, change this menu here to the new menu. So you can see there now I've got a different menu, blog links, so forth. And that, where I made that G4 Guitar Method, if I click on that, that should take me directly to the G4 Guitar Method site, which it does. Okay, so all working perfectly. So I hope that makes sense. And if you want to obviously if you want to go back and change back to the old one, then you can come back here to appearance, menus, and manage locations, and then go back and choose the original menu, and then save the changes, and that will give you what you need. Thanks guys, hope that helps.